Hello Ansh. Today we are starting with single digit revision. Okay beta? Now start. Number 1 sum is 5, 4, 8, 7, 3, 2, 5, 9, 3, 8, 6, 7.
67.
Very good. Next sum 2, 3, 6, 8, 7, 9, 3, 5, 6, 4, 3, 5.
61.
Very good. Next. This is a very good sum. You like it? Start. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8.
104.
Very good. Next one. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9.
117.
Very good. Next one. 4, 9, 3, 7, minus 2, minus 5. Okay, I'll repeat it. Start. 4, 9, 3, 7, minus 2, minus 5, 8, minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, 2, 9.
27.
Very good. Next. 7, 5, minus 6, minus 3, 9, minus 5, 3, minus 6, 9, 2, 5, minus 1.
19.
Very good. Next one. 9, 1, minus 2, 3, minus 8, 4, 7, 3, minus 4, minus 6, 3, 7.
17.
Very good. Next one. 8, 3, minus 6, 8, minus 5, 6, 1, 9, 3, 5, 8, minus 3.
37.
Very good. Very nice. Thank you.